For this behind the scenes video, I want to take you for a quick tour inside this shipping container behind me, which is getting some very, very simple but effective modifications done for this customer to use it as a workshop. Now, the first modification it's had done is we've removed the shipping container doors and framed it up for a roller door to be installed. This makes it super easy to access the shipping container. In one action, the roller door is up, no wrestling two container doors at this end of the container. Let's head inside the container and see what else has been added. Now this used 20-foot shipping container is going to be used as some kind of storage and workshop. So the next modification that's been done, you can see up in the roof behind me, we've got a frame here and one on the wall. There's another one diagonally opposite here. And what they are for is a whirlybird and ventilation. Now, just a quick point, if you do order ventilation in the form of a whirlybird, it will not come fully installed. The vents will be in place and they're vermin proof. They've got mesh to stop any unwanted visitors, and the frame will be on the roof for the whirlybird, but it does take a ladder and about 6 screws to install the whirlybird once it arrives. Unfortunately, when it's on the truck, we can't have it protruding off the top of the container. Now there's one last modification that I wanted to show you, and that's what's called tagging. A lot of people ask us about getting lights in a shipping container. Now the issue is going to be that you don't want to screw straight into the ceiling because potentially you're drilling a hole that's going to leak. So what we do is we tag areas where you can mount your lights and your electrical. So this container is going to be electrical ready. There is a box for the power to come in. There is some conduit on the floor here. So I dare say everything will be ready just to have the lights and the power cables installed. Now, if you're thinking about getting a used shipping container and you want to use it for storage or a workshop, ventilation protects the items that are inside, stops it from things like condensation and excess heat. The roller door makes it very easy to access your container, and it makes a perfect solution for a workshop. Call our team if you'd like to find out more on 1300 556 991 or visit our website www.containersfirst.com.au.